Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing inter-country adoption. Herein, this is basically legally adopting a child from a country other than one's native country, bringing that adopted child to the adoptive parent's native country, and the adoption process for intra and inter-country are similar. That is the transfer of right over a child from a biological parent or guardian to the prospective adoptive parents. Lakshmikant Pandey's public interest litigation is the most important case in the area of inter-country adoption. In 1982, a petition was filed under Article 32 of the Constitution by Advocate Lakshmikant Pandey, alleging malpractices and trafficking of children by social organizations and voluntary agencies that offer Indian children for adoption overseas. The petition was filed on the basis of a report in the foreign magazine called The Mail. The petitioner accordingly sought relief, restraining Indian-based private agencies from carrying out the further activity of routing children for adoption abroad, and directing the Government of India, the Indian Council of Child Welfare and the Indian Council of Social Welfare to carry out their obligations in the matter of adoption of Indian children by foreign parents. By an order, the Supreme Court laid down detailed principles and norms to be followed for the adoption of children by the people overseas. Many examples and references were cited while discussing the issue, including the statutory provisions and the international standards. While discussing the issue, the court said, when the parents of a child want to give it away in adoption or the child is abandoned and it is considered necessary in the interest of the child to give it in adoption, every effort must be made first to find adoptive parents for it within the country, because such adoption would steer clear of any problems of assimilation of the child in the family for the adoptive parents, which might arise on account of cultural, racial or linguistic differences in case of adoption of the child by foreign parents. If it is not possible to find suitable adoptive parents for the child within the country, it may become necessary to give the child in adoption to foreign parents rather than allow the child to grow up in an orphanage or an institution where it will have no family and no love and affection of parents, and quite often in the socio-economic conditions prevailing in the country, child might have to lead the life of a destitute, half-clad, half-hungry and suffering from malnutrition and illness. As per the court's ruling, a central government recognized or licensed child welfare agency must sponsor the adoption application to adopt a child from a non-resident Indian or persons of Indian origin or foreigners. Added to that, a concerned department responsible for child welfare in the foreign countries proposed adoptive parent is a resident also sponsor such application. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.